Hello, guys, and welcome on this Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. Um, I'm Mr. Amaya, your science teacher, and today we'll go over a couple of other things regarding inventions and the engineering process. But before we do that, let's go ahead and talk about our school spirit weekday. And today, your day was wear your favorite sports jersey. As you can see, I am wearing my Roma jersey. This is the emblem. My Totti jersey has the name Totti on the back. But yeah, I would love to see if you guys were able to wear your jerseys, whether it's a basketball jersey, whether it's a football jersey, a soccer jersey, or any type of jersey. Please let me know if you're wearing it. Your do now is going to be that simple. Take a picture wearing your favorite sports jersey and send it to my phone at 915-999-5016 so we can show our support for our school in these difficult times. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with today's lesson. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison, a lot of people believe he invented the light bulb, but actually he didn't invent the light bulb, he perfected the light bulb. Other people have already come up with ways of doing light bulbs, but they would either explode or they would like flicker and wouldn't give constant light. So it was definitely an issue. Thomas Edison saw the light bulb and was able to perfect it so that it gives continuous light that doesn't explode, and that we use even to this day. Thanks to him, we have the light bulb, and the technology hasn't changed much because of it. So Thomas Edison was a great inventor. He invented some things completely on his own. Other things he went ahead and perfected himself. All right. So in order for us to continue learning about Thomas Edison, we're going to watch this video. You can look at it on YouTube. It says you can look at it by searching engineering design process brain pop. And you want to look for the one that says The Mysteries of Life with Cassie and Moby. But I'm also going to send you the link in your GroupMe. So don't worry if you can't find it. Look for the link in GroupMe. Watch the video until minute 3, second 20. If you go a little bit past that, that's fine. If you want to watch the whole thing, that's fine. But you only have to watch until minute 3, second 20. Okay? So watch the video. I'll talk more about the engineering process. And so your work today... Oh, before we do the work today, I forgot this part. The reason why we're watching the video is to talk about the differences between lighting back in the day and lighting now. Back in the day, people had to use gas lamps, which are these old lamps right here. You would put gasoline in them, or sometimes even like natural gas in them. And then they would like brightly burn until you run out of gasoline or you run out of gas. And then they would shut off. They would also be very dangerous because if one of them would not get knocked over, the whole thing would catch on fire because there's fire in there and then there's natural gas or gasoline, and that's a recipe for a fire disaster. Also, people use candles, which candles are great, but also great fire hazard. Fires could happen all the time because of it. Also, they ran out, and they didn't give that much light. So this is how people would give themselves light at night back in the day. Now we have light bulbs. Now we have electricity. Electricity has done wonders for us. We've been able to create a system of electricity that goes from home to home, from city to city, from our electric power plants all the way to our homes where we can use them. Of course, it's not a bunch of Pikachus running around giving us electricity, but we know it's either solar panels or the big windmills or water dams that we get electricity from. But electricity has made our lives significantly easier. So with this in mind, and after watching the video, now let's talk about what work needs to be completed for today. And I know it's a little blurry. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to get these to be less blurry, but I'm just having a little bit of a difficult time. I'll make sure that next week's are less blurry. So the thing today is, what was life like before electricity? Think about it. And then give 3 examples. How many? 1, 2, 3. Of how electricity has changed the way humans live. So what I need you to do is in a piece of paper, write down 3 examples of how electricity has changed the way humans live. Take a picture of that, send it my way. Take a picture of yourself wearing a sports jersey, send it my way. Take care of yourselves. Make sure you do your work. Stay healthy. Make sure you eat all your fruits and vegetables. All right, guys. It was a pleasure. Thank you for hanging with me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.